This is fighter. We can eat it every day. We can use it in many dishes. Thank you. Yeah, flavor food. It is yellow color. This is a muffler. It's made of woolen cloth. We can wear during this winter season. There is made of keep our body heat. The raincoat is a cover. This is cotton cloth. Cotton cloth made from cotton fiber. It is very soft and comfortable to use. Take our national flag. Our national flag has 3 colors. It is also called Ranga. The saffron color is at the top. The white color is in the middle. The green color is at the bottom. There is also chakra in the center. Thank you. The Bengal tiger is the national animal of India. The Bengal tiger is found in India, Pakistan, Nepal and China. This is a natural bird. The natural bird mostly dance in rainy season. That is small eyes. Okay, next. This is the banyan tree. The banyan tree is the national tree of India. Lotus is beautiful flower. It is the national flower of India. It is mostly pink in color. It grows in water. It has many petals. Thank you. We are going to explain.
What is that?
We are going to explain human life. That color root is nose. Nose is one of the sense organs used to smell. The 2 holes in our nose are called nostrils. The tongue is an essential organ in the human body. The common functions are regulating speech, that is articulate sounds and form words, detecting flavors, which means taste buds are used for tasting food. Hand and eat, hand and bath, hand and write. The science project is human ear. We have 2 ears. Ears are one of our sense organ. Here on my ear, what do they do? Listen and hear music and noises. It is a caravan. It is temporary house. Some people also live in houses on wheels known as caravans. It is used to cinema address. Igloo is a type of house or shelter. It is a temporary house. It is looked like a room house. The Eskimos live in the igloo house. Igloo house made of all blocks of snow. House is a temporary house. It is made of water, food, material. It is very easy to move another. Thank you. Good. This is a houseboat. If you go to Kashmir or Kerala, you will find houseboat. These are houses that are built on boats and move around in the lakes and the rivers there. Squadrons are flags very tall. People still carry squadrons. We are independent house that have many rooms. Half and also have a order. Kacha house. It is a kacha house. Kacha house is made up of mud, starch, wood. It is not very strong. Thank you.
Good.